Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix Spotify something went wrong, try again. So guys, when you log in your Spotify app and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix it. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to go back and you need to open your settings in your iPhone or iPad. So guys, after this you need to click on Wi-Fi and connect any Wi-Fi with your iPhone or iPad. So guys, if already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi and click on forget this network, and after this you need to reconnect it again with your iPhone or iPad. And after doing this, if don't have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data. And after this guys, you need to go back and open your app store. And guys, here you need to search Spotify. So guys, after searching it, you need to click on Spotify and update your Spotify app. So here you can see here is the option of update. So guys, you need to update it, and after doing update, you need to go back and open your settings again, scroll down, click on general, click on iPhone storage. And guys, after this you need to scroll down and click on Spotify app, click here and click on offload and click on offload. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again from app store. And guys, go and check that your problem is fixed or not. So guys, still not fixed your problem, then you need to open your settings again, click on screen time and click on content and privacy restrictions. So guys, after doing this, off this feature content and privacy. So guys, if it is on, then you need to off it, and after doing off, you need to go back. And guys, after this, open general and click on VPN and device management. So guys, after doing this, make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your iPhone. So guys, after doing this, you need to go back, scroll down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset network setting. And guys, after doing reset network setting, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to use your Spotify app smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.